Hello guys, welcome back to Automaz channel. Are you looking for a cruiser that blends modern style, comfort, and performance in one sleek package? Meet the 2025 Kawasaki VULCAN S, a mid-size cruiser that doesn't play by the rules. With its sporty design and rider-focused ergonomics, the VULCAN S is built to turn heads and provide a smooth, confidence-inspiring ride for both new and experienced riders. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, you'll find a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, derived from the legendary Kawasaki Ninja 650. This engine delivers smooth, predictable power, making it perfect for city rides and highway cruising alike. Whether you're commuting or taking a weekend road trip, the VULCAN S gives you the freedom to enjoy the open road without feeling overwhelmed. What really sets the VULCAN S apart is its ErgoFit customization system. Riders can choose different seat, handlebar, and foot peg configurations to suit their size and riding style. It's a rare level of personalization for a production cruiser, and it makes a huge difference in comfort. Kawasaki wants the bike to fit you, not the other way around. The 2025 model comes with subtle design upgrades, including matte finish options, LED lighting, and a sleek new instrument panel that feels more modern and premium. It maintains that aggressive urban look while keeping the ride-friendly nature that made the VULCAN S a hit among beginners. Handling is sharp and lightweight thanks to the bike's low center of gravity and carefully balanced chassis. At around 492 pounds wet, the bike is easy to maneuver in tight spots and forgiving for newer riders still getting the hang of slow speed control. The low 27.8-inch seat height is also super beginner-friendly, giving most riders the ability to flat foot at a stop. Safety features include a reliable ABS system, disc brakes at both ends, and a responsive throttle that avoids sudden surges, again, ideal for building rider confidence. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the VULCAN S stays stable and smooth, even at highway speeds. As for price, the 2025 Kawasaki VULCAN S starts at $7,899, offering serious value for what you get. For riders in the US who want a sporty cruiser that breaks from the V-twin tradition, the VULCAN S is a refreshing, modern alternative that delivers performance, comfort, and custom fit, all in one striking machine.